Well, folks, it's going to be interesting to see just what I can do here. I think first thing I need to do is relocate that gas line that's coming up on, because that bar is going to get changed. I got to cut stuff out and then weld stuff back in. And so, let's see. They come back. These actually go all the way into here and come across. So what I need to do here, cut these off, heat them up back there, bring them over, weld them to the bottom of here, along here, shorten that bracket, and then from here send it over to there. I'll have to add a piece. Could probably use this one. That was bimetal. That tool, I think, works better for thinner sheet metal. We're talking about some structural members here, so let's see what I can do with this. I have to move those brake lines. Yeah, I don't think we're going to bring that all the way back. I think we're going to cut it across here. Come up and across there, and then for that fuel line, I'm actually going to route up and across and up to here. Doesn't like cutting that weld, is what the deal is. Let's just go down right here. Hey Tubes, well, back in the shop, and today we're going to do some major work on the frame. I have my piece of steel here, here we go, and we're going to try and get some of this stuff changed down in the engine compartment here. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. What I want to do, I'm actually going to cut this one off instead of trying to fix it, replace it with a new bar, but that new bar is going to come up and go parallel to that frame rail down to that spot right there, and then I'm going to cut a piece that'll tie in over to this bar this way, and then on this side I'm going to do the same thing. I just might be able to cut that bar, bend it over, and then get the replacement piece right here put in, and then that'll give me the clearance I need. The other major job I'd like to get done is cutting the notch in on this front cross member. Really need to do that because I don't have any clearance for my front pulley there, and that'll allow me to maybe shift the motor ahead about a half an inch, give me a little more clearance. Back on this bar corner right here is really close, and not only that, but I'll be able to maybe raise the whole motor up a little bit more in the engine compartment and get a more direct shot to the rear differential from that. But yeah, that's what I'd like to get done today. So let me show you how. Probably not record my work. It's noisy and boring and tedious, and but I'll bring you back when I've got something to show. Okay? Okay, first order of business. Let's get that other bar cut out of there. Now, that's going to be tricky. What would be the best way to get that cut off? Yeah. I think this might work better. That I'm going to need to come in from underneath, I think. And from the back to get the cut I want. That is backup light, I'm pretty sure. Well, folks, there you go. I'm not a professional welder, but I think I got it stuck together enough that it ain't gonna go anywhere. Comes up, it actually ties in to the back side of the brace right there, and then comes across, and then comes up in its original direction there. So one side's down and one side to go. So I think I'm gonna take a break now and get back to this a little bit later.